Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're planning for a professional level generative AI certification, that too free of cost, you have come to the right place. So if you want to explore the exciting world of generative AI using Oracle Cloud, whether you're a developer, student, or just starting your AI journey, this certification offers a unique opportunity to enhance your skills and stay ahead of the curve. So first question would be, why generative AI? So these generative AI models, which are powered by large language models, that is LLMs, are revolutionizing natural language understanding, text creation, and chatbot development. A good example for this would be your ChatGPT application. And Oracle also recognized the importance of this generative AI and its business impact. So that is why they have launched OCI 2024 Generative AI Certified Professional Exam. And the exciting part about this is that the Oracle is offering this certification absolutely free until July 31st, 2024. So don't miss out on this opportunity to upskill and add value to your certifications of portfolio. So coming to the steps, so first what you have to do, you have to create an Oracle account. So to create an account, you just have to click here. So once you click on the link, this page will open. So here you have to add your email address and type a strong password, and then the country, select the country from which you belong, and also add your first name and second name, and also add your work phone number, and then click on create account. You will get an email for the activation. After you activate your account, you have to come back to the same URL and you have to click on sign in and activate. So once you click here, you will be redirected to the login page. Provide the same credential and then log into the Oracle. After you put your credentials, you have to accept all the terms and condition and click on activate. So once you click on activate, a new window will be opened. So once you put all your password, accept the terms and condition, and activate the account, you will be redirected to this page. So here you can see all the skills that you will be learning, be it the LLMs, be it the chatbot creations. So all these are present here. If you scroll down, as you can see, the course is for 6 hours and 13 minutes. So go through the content provided by Oracle. So these are all the content that has been provided. Here you can see the course overview, fundamentals of LLMs, what are all the things you want to learn, and generative AI services offered by Oracle. And if you also scroll down, you can also see the course where they build the LLM applications and chatbot. All the details has been uh, provided by Oracle team. So once you complete this course, you can go back to the same menu and you can directly register for the exam. So once you clear this exam, you will be earning your Oracle certificate for generative AI.